Well, good morning. Thursday morning. It's getting these guys fed out here with their grain. We got 2 3/10 of an inch of rain last night. So, needless to say, we've got a mess. So yesterday I was going to come out here and try to get this cleaned out and all that, but that didn't happen because I don't have anything dry to put in here. So this stuff's about a foot deep, but they're making it through it. This is gonna have to get figured out. This ain't gonna work. So I'd cleaned it out once back in the spring when we first got here, and it was pretty good. There was still some frost down there a ways, but anyways, got it cleaned out, and it's just I'm getting a lot of rain, so anyways, everybody's happy here. They're eating their grain. Not sure what's going to be on the plate for today. I have a couple of ideas. Well, it's kind of dark. You guys can't see what's going on here, but we're gonna get these guys some hay out here. And that way when they're done with their grain, they can come out and eat their hay, because if I don't have it out here when they get done with their grain, they definitely let me know right quick. So we'll go ahead and get this thrown out for them. Didn't get the round bale feeder yet. The guy I'm buying it off of been busy hauling taters, so haven't got together and not that yet. So anyways, yeah, you can see this is pretty muddy. Pretty muddy. It's not bad up here, it's wet, but that's got to get figured out. Got to get figured out. Here's something's touching the hot wire over there once in a while. I hear it popping. Oh, let's better shut this just in case. I think the rain's done, but it definitely got some big storms still south down here that are I think they're stretched all the way down through Iowa. So well, go eat. Your hay's out there. Get on now. The hay's out there. Yeah, the hay is out there. Go eat. Go eat. Anyways, the storms are all the way down from Iowa down in there, all the way to the eastern side of the UP. So we might have some more coming. I hope not, though. We're good for now. So these guys are polishing off their breakfast grain. Boy, little girl, he just pounded his way right in there, didn't he? Huh? You know, knuckleheads. So, anyways, like I was saying, we're all set with the rain. You can hear she's she's pretty wet. This pen's holding up pretty good though. So first chance we get, this bedding's gonna have to come out of here, but it's not soaked. So we'll see about that. But I reset that disc and went out yesterday and ran it some more and seemed to be working good. Busted up everything that I needed to bust up. Kind of avoided those wet spots. I got a feeling that's going to be it for the year out there. Because of this amount of rain that we got last night, I can guarantee those spots that were already saturated, I probably ain't getting back in there. This is going to have to wait now. But it is what it is. That field's kind of the redheaded stepchild field, you know. So one side of me is kind of like, well, you know, I'd sure like to have it in seed before winter. The other side of me says, oh well, you know. So I don't know. So I doubt we're gonna be cutting anytime soon either, because she is wet. I don't see our Indian summer coming either on the weather. So see the trees up in there starting to change colors now. Normally it starts around the 15th to the 20th, so it's pretty much on track for changing colors. Everything else other than that's good. Like I said, we're going to figure out what we can do today that's not going to be outside in the mud getting wet. And I think we're down and see if that guy's home today, that brown bale feeder, and get that down here. If he's not hauling taters, I'm betting he's not. So we'll see if we can get another video of that this afternoon. So, anyways, hope everybody's having a good dry Thursday morning, and we'll holler at you later.